5 single-serve mac and cheeses that will totally satisfy your comfort food craving. Maybe work stress has you on the verge of tossing your computer out the window. Or it's just one of those gray, gloomy days that seems tailor-made for diving into some serious comfort food. Regardless, there are some instances when a macaroni and cheese craving can't be tamed. And when they actually happen, you aren't usually in the mood to spend hours in the kitchen making an entire tray of food. Even if the food happens to be bubbly, cheesy, and delicious. But don't reach for that boxed mac and cheese mix just yet. Believe it or not, you can make a single serving of macaroni and cheese from scratch. In fact, it's pretty darn easy, not to mention quick. And best of all, there's zero temptation to scarf down the leftovers when your stomach starts rumbling at 11 p.m., because there aren't any. Here are 5 easy, mouth-watering macs to try. Lose up to 15 pounds without dieting with Eat Clean to Get Lean, our 21-day clean eating meal plan. Single Girl Mac and Cheese. The beauty of wannabe a country cleaver's Colby Jack Mac is that there's no baking involved. Just make a quick cheesy sauce on the stovetop, boil your noodles, and combine. In less than 20 minutes, you'll be curled up on the couch with a bowl of rich, creamy goodness. Quick mac and cheese for one. Like your mac to pack a punch. Take Baking Mischief's recipe for a ride. The cheesy sauce is made with extra sharp cheddar, while a pinch of cayenne and nutmeg add just the right amount of spice. Ranch Bacon Mac and Cheese Cups. Make a batch of the recipe critics crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside macaroni and cheese muffin cups and freeze them for instant, portion-controlled indulgence. The combo of the tangy ranch with the smoky bacon only serves to make your standard mac and cheese a million times better. Instant mac and cheese in a mug. Guess what? Cake isn't the only thing you can make in a coffee cup. Made by Monique Zapp's Elbow Macaroni, cheese, any kind, take your pick, and water in a mug. 10 minutes later, you've got yourself a gooey, melty, cooked to perfection helping of mac and cheese. See? Miracles really do happen. Vegan quinoa mac and cheese. Sometimes your heart says cheese and refined carbs, but your brain says food with legit nutrition. When that happens, make this creamy, high-fiber quinoa and broccoli bowl from Rabbit Food for My Bunny Teeth. The dairy-free sauce is made with almond milk, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and dry mustard, but it tastes a heck of a lot like cheddar.